the Nikon Keymisson 360 versus the GoPro Fusion. Here we go. So it's summer, the kids are playing, everybody's out, and I thought, let's start selling some stuff, get some money, let's get ready, let's book a holiday, let's do whatever. And one of the things I came across was my Nikon Keymisson 360 camera, so I decided to sell it. Now unfortunately I have not actually sold it yet, and I do get people speaking to me, and I've been reading reviews, and it comes off as a bit of a crap camera, truth be told. But in reality, it's a good camera, especially for the price point compared to what we'll be using. So today I'm going to put it against the Fusion, which is obviously just come down in price a little bit now. So I think it's rocking about $450 in UK money, and the Nikon Keymisson is $200, so it's literally half the price. So is it twice as good? Well, let's find out. So as you can see there, that was some picture and some video. There is a difference. Is it massive? Yes. Is it different? No. It's hard to tell, and it depends what you're doing. They both have strong and downsides. Strengths and weaknesses, that's the one. Ups and downsides, there we go. The Nikon Keymisson is very usable, smaller, better to mount, you can take it places and use it really, really well. Where the GoPro fits really good on GoPro mounts, but if you damage it, it's dead forever. You can't change the lenses, and you are kind of restricted to what you can do in that aspect. So the Nikon Keymisson wins on that front. It's smaller, so it wins on that front. Picture quality, well there you go, you've seen the picture quality yourself versus the GoPro. Photon quality, there we go, that's a 40 megapixel versus the 18 megapixels of the GoPro. So, what do you think about it? Let me know in the comments below. Well, better go and join the kids and have some fun. But I thank you for taking me down memory lane, and we'll see you soon. Bye!